Billionaires and their pets. Welcome to Be a Baby Billionaire. When you think of billionaires, you probably imagine lavish mansions, expensive cars, and luxurious vacations. Also, anything and everything money can buy. But there is one aspect of their extravagant lifestyles that often goes unnoticed: their pets. Yes, you read that right. Billionaires are known for pampering their beloved furry friends with the best of everything, from designer outfits to private jets. These extraordinary pets are not your average domesticated animals. They own unique breeds and exotic species, and sometimes these pets even have their own staff. As we delve into the world of billionaires and their pets, get ready to be amazed by the opulence and extravagance that these animals are accustomed to. Hold on to your hats and get ready to meet some of the most extraordinary pets of extraordinary wealth. Pets 1. The peculiar taste for exotic pets. Billionaires have a unique taste for exotic pets, often opting for species that are rare or not found in their country of residence. These pets can range from tigers, cheetahs, and snakes to elephants and sharks, showcasing the owner's wealth and status. However, owning such pets comes with a high price tag, as well as legal and ethical responsibilities. Aside from exotic species, billionaires also choose exquisite breeds of dogs and cats, such as the Afghan Hound and Russian Blue Cat. These breeds are not only unique, but also come with a hefty price tag. Additionally, aquatic pets like dolphins and sharks are popular among billionaires who own yachts or live near the coast. While these pets are fascinating to watch, owning them also requires a great deal of responsibility, as many shark species are endangered. Billionaires also own exotic birds, spending thousands of dollars on rare breeds like the African gray parrot and the scarlet macaw. These birds add color and beauty to the owner's collection and can even mimic human speech. However, owning exotic birds also comes with the responsibility of providing them with adequate care and attention. While owning exotic pets may seem thrilling and luxurious, it also comes with legal and ethical responsibilities and safety issues. It's crucial to understand that these animals are not just status symbols, but living beings that require proper care and attention. As such, it's important to consider the responsibilities that come with owning exotic pets and ensure that their welfare is a top priority. Pets 2. Exquisite canine and feline breeds. Many opt for exquisite canine and feline breeds. From the sleek and elegant Afghan Hound to the playful and affectionate Russian Blue Cat, these breeds are not only unique, but also expensive. Some breeds, like the Pharaoh Hound, are known for their hunting abilities and distinctive appearances. These breeds can cost up to $7,000 and are sought after by the ultra-wealthy. Owning exotic breeds of dogs and cats may seem like a status symbol, but it also comes with a need to train and spend time with them. These animals require adequate care, attention, and socialization. Without it, they can become aggressive, destructive, or suffer from anxiety. Owners need to invest time and resources in providing their pets with adequate care and training. Exotic breeds of dogs and cats may not be as rare or endangered as other exotic pets, but their ownership still raises ethical questions. Many breeders engage in unethical practices, like inbreeding or breeding for specific physical traits, which can lead to health problems for the animals. Potential owners need to research breeders and adoption centers to ensure that they are supporting responsible breeding practices. Pets 3. Aquatic wonders. From dolphins to sharks. Billionaires who own yachts or live near the coast often opt for aquatic pets like dolphins and sharks. These pets are not only fascinating to watch, but they also show off the owner's wealth and status. However, owning aquatic pets like sharks comes with legal, safety considerations, and ethical responsibilities, especially since many shark species are endangered. Some billionaires may have been criticized for participating in shark finning, a practice that involves removing a shark's fin and discarding the rest of the body, causing immense suffering and endangering the species. Despite the controversies surrounding shark ownership, some billionaires use their wealth to support conservation efforts and protect endangered species. They may donate to wildlife organizations or even purchase land to create protected habitats for marine life. While owning aquatic pets may seem glamorous, billionaires who support conservation efforts understand the importance of preserving the natural world. Additionally, owning aquatic pets like dolphins can provide a unique and enriching experience. However, it's crucial to remember that these animals are better off left alone for nature to take care of and nurture them. Pets 4. Flying with exotic birds. Billionaires are not only interested in owning exotic land and aquatic animals, but they also seem to have a taste for exotic birds. These pets can range from the African gray parrot to the scarlet macaw, which are known for their beauty and ability to mimic human speech. The rareness of some of these birds makes them even more desirable, and billionaires don't hesitate to spend thousands of dollars to add them to their collections. However, owning exotic birds also comes with a responsibility to provide them with adequate care and attention. These birds require specialized diets, living conditions, and socialization. Neglecting their needs can lead to physical and psychological problems, which can ultimately affect their lifespan. Therefore, owners need to invest time and resources in providing their pets with the best care possible. Aside from the responsibility that comes with owning exotic birds, some ethical concerns surround their ownership. Many of these birds are captured from their natural habitats and traded illegally, which can contribute to the decline of their species. Potential owners must ensure that they are not supporting illegal or unethical practices, and instead, opt for birds that have been bred in captivity or rescued from improper living conditions. Despite these controversies, owning exotic birds can provide a unique and enriching experience. Their beautiful colors and entertaining personalities can bring joy and companionship to their owners. Additionally, some studies suggest that interacting with birds can reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Overall, owning exotic birds can be an exciting and fulfilling experience, but it comes with significant responsibilities. Potential owners must understand the needs of these pets and ensure that they are not supporting unethical practices. With proper care and attention, exotic birds can provide a lifetime of enjoyment and companionship. Pets 5. Conservation efforts and endangered species. Many billionaires who own exotic pets are also passionate about supporting conservation efforts and protecting endangered species. They understand the importance of preserving the natural world and use their wealth to make a difference. Some donate to wildlife organizations, while others purchase land to create protected habitats for endangered animals. Owning exotic pets may seem glamorous, but it comes with a responsibility to ensure that their welfare is a top priority. Some billionaires have been criticized for participating in unethical practices, like inbreeding or supporting the illegal trade of endangered species. However, many owners are actively involved in conservation efforts and use their influence to raise awareness about the plight of endangered animals. A billionaire who supports conservation efforts has started a foundation, which focuses on protecting tigers, elephants, and rhinos from poaching and habitat destruction. The foundation also works with local communities to promote sustainable living and protect wildlife habitats. This helps create employment for various tribes, as well as protect their homes from predators and elephants. Another billionaire is a well-known supporter of shark conservation, using his wealth to fund research and support conservation efforts. He also advocates for the protection of marine life and is actively involved in ocean conservation initiatives. Overall, owning exotic pets and supporting conservation efforts are not mutually exclusive. Many billionaires use their wealth to make a positive impact on the natural world and protect endangered species. Potential owners need to understand the responsibility that comes with owning exotic pets and ensure that their actions do not contribute to the decline of endangered species. Pet ethics. Controversies surrounding billionaire pet ownership. The ownership of exotic pets by billionaires is not without controversy. One of the major issues is the ethics of owning animals that are not typically kept as pets and may be endangered or taken from their natural habitats. Many animal welfare organizations argue that these animals should be left in the wild where they belong, and that their capture and confinement can lead to physical and psychological harm, maybe even death. Additionally, some billionaires have been criticized for participating in unethical practices, like inbreeding or supporting the illegal trade of endangered species. Rhino horns and ivory may fetch premium prices in the black market or on the dark web. Another issue is the potential danger that comes with owning exotic pets. These animals can be unpredictable and pose a threat not only to their owners but also to the public. Some states and countries have even banned the ownership of certain species to protect public safety. They may also be carriers of many diseases, many of them unknown to the scientific and medical communities. Moreover, the care and maintenance of exotic pets can be costly and time-consuming. These animals require specialized diets, living conditions, and socialization, which can be difficult to provide, especially for those who lead busy lifestyles. Without proper care, exotic pets can become aggressive, destructive, or suffer from anxiety, leading to physical and psychological problems.